in the previous episode.
So welcome to ASG channel again. It's the day you all waited for. It's the day when this project is going to be painted, finally. We're gonna stay here somewhere around midnight. This is when the parts will be finally painted. I'm gonna stay here, record all the process. Actually, I'm gonna go get myself a coffee because that's the only thing that will keep me alive during all this process until midnight, because it's just 7 o'clock in the evening, and I'm gonna just go all the way till maybe 1 o'clock in the morning, I don't know. So that's it, just keep watching. So guys, this is going to be the paint, the blue paint. The body is going to be painted with a very beautiful shade of blue, I would say. This one is white paint. The rest of the body is going to be painted. Very beautiful. It's going to be something very beautiful. So guys, finally, the first part is already here inside the painting chamber. It's super smelly here, like it's unbearable. I just want to leave as soon as possible, but I want to finish my sentence. They actually covered the walls with some liquid, you see, it's shiny, to avoid any piece of dust or sand to stick or fly inside the chamber while they're going to paint. Alright, I really want to leave because it's very smelly inside here. It's like unbearable. The smell is just so bad. Alright, so the first part is already inside the painting chamber. There are still a few parts to go there. This is not mine. I wish it would, but it's not mine. Those are the rims, actually. There are two sections. They were painted in a wrong color. They have to be blue. This one is ready for the painting. This is a lid which covers the wiring cables on the body. It goes somewhere in here. This is the front windshield or body. I don't know how to call that in English. I would say it's a windshield, but it's just a piece of the body. I'm gonna go get myself a coffee because that's the only thing that will keep me alive until 1 o'clock in the morning. So I'll just keep recording the process and update you on anything will happen. So stay tuned. Alright guys, what time is it? It's 8:30. Holy shit! This scared the shit out of me! Fuck! I was scared that I did something! Alright, so all the parts are clean. The surfaces are smooth. They are absolutely perfect for painting. I personally checked all the parts if they look smooth enough. This is the gas tank. It's going to be blue. This is going to be white. The body is going to be white, and the stripe here is going to be blue all around here, just like that. Those are the passenger footrests. They were absolutely obliterated, but the guys did an amazing job making them straight again. Here, the handlebar has some defects right in the aluminium body, so the guys filled it here with some, I don't know, putty, or how do you call that? They filled the defect. The surface is perfect. It's smooth like a baby ass. This is where that cover goes onto. All the electronics goes through this little, I don't know, bridge, or how do you call that? It looks like a bridge actually. All the electronics go like that right into the handlebar. This is the handle which lifts the body. It stays here. The handle was painted in a wrong color, so they just going to repaint it again. This is the front mudguard. The same, had a few little defects which guys fixed in the last moment. They did an amazing job making it straight again, because back in the time the previous owner fell down on this scooter and bent this mudguard somewhere like that. It was, I don't know, slanted into this side. They bent it back and made it straight again. This is the, I don't know how to call. Here the space. Oh my god, it's so hot in here, like insane. I can't even breathe. Alright, so the parts are prepared, everything is prepared. The rims are done, ready for painting. Oh my god. So the guys removing all the grease or the pieces of dust. And guys, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. I can't even breathe. Ooh. Jesus fucking Christ. This is a diesel container, or I don't know, reservoir, and it literally burns to make that space hot. Могу зайти? They're telling me not to get inside. I will put a picture here on the screen of my concept, which I drew myself, how I would want the scooter to be. And they're now painting those spots blue, and then they're going to mask that spot and then paint it white. Oh my god, this project is going to be amazing, dudes. I don't know, the smell inside the chamber is just unbearable. Like, there is no oxygen. He's still sitting there, like there is nothing wrong with that. But the camera is gonna die any second, so I'm gonna stop here and put it on charge and be back when they will paint it white. So Alright guys, I'm gonna put the camera on the charge. It's 8:48. We still have a long way until 1 o'clock in the morning when everything is gonna be painted.
So good.
Alright, so the guys let me in finally. So what they're doing right here is they're covering this part which will be blue, and then they're going to paint the rest of it white. Yeah, I love this blue. It's so beautiful. It looks so nice. It's such a subtle shade of blue. I really was afraid it's going to be too dark, but it's just that perfect shade of blue. I was choosing this color, if not an hour and a half, just choosing the paints from catalog. Alright, I gotta be very, very careful. С этой стороны? Хорошо, я держу ее.
Вообще, чтобы не вибрировало.
Yeah, it looks very nice. I feel a little bit intoxicated, guys. Seriously, I need to leave. Oh my god, fresh air, thank you. So this is the white paint, which the rest of the body is going to be painted with. And the process is going to be recorded too. But until then, I have to put the camera on charge again because it's draining too fast. Alright. So, see you in a bit. Wonderful, and it's not even done yet. It has to be coated with lacquer yet. It's not even finished. Oh my god, guys, I feel so intoxicated right now. Seriously, I feel very intoxicated. I feel very bad. I need to leave. Seriously, I would gladly keep recording everything, but I gotta leave. I don't feel okay. I will try to rarely enter in, place the camera, and then leave. I'm sorry guys, I would really want to make it cinematic, very nice, but when I'm inside there, I really feel bad. I hardly can keep myself on legs, like I'm collapsing. That's a quite distinctive sign of chemical intoxication, so I'd rather stay here, watch it from here what the guys are doing, and just from time to time place the camera there or there and let it record what the guys are doing. Next step is coating all those parts in lacquer, and that's gonna be it. So guys, keep watching. So guys, look at that. Park's finally here in my workshop. Так что кузов сюда тоже поместился. Момент. Вау. Ну, проваливается. А хотя тут будет крыло, никто не будет. Пусть я так и... Нормально? Так, этот вот так поставлю.
А никелировку ты видел?
Да, хром он, вот он. Да, вот так поставлю. Это все? Больше ничего нету? Не. Все. Oh my god. Oh, and I thought this day couldn't get any better. Oh my god, guys. And this, you know what? This is all thanks to you. This is all thanks to your donations, the purchases, the stickers you buy, the designs you buy from me. Everything here you see is funded by you guys. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I feel a little bit tired, that's why I want to keep it short here. I really want to go to sleep. So if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, and if you really want to support this channel, there are 2 links in the description. The first one is to my eBay store where you can purchase my ASG Designs decals, my merch. And the second link is my PayPal account where you can donate as much as you're willing to. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.